Hey, how you doing? Map here, Map Investments. I want to talk to you about some trades I did today. Pretty active. Did about 40 trades today. Uh, didn't open much. A lot of them were closing trades. Had to take the kiddo to the doctor, so got a little sidetracked today. But it's all good. Anyways, the holidays are here. We got some trading full day tomorrow, and a short day on Thursday, and Friday's Christmas. I did so I'll do some couple videos today on some of the stuff that I opened. So let's start with Cloudera. I did a Straddle in Cloudera in February. Let me put it up in the Tasty Work platform because you can get a better illustration there. And let me open it up over here. Tasty Works. Okay. So Cloudera trade Cloudera. Had a 43 IV today. The IV rank, so CLDR, you can see choose strategy to the right's the price. It was up $1.72, and the IV rank was at 43. So there was some premiums in here today. So I went out to the I'm mainly working the February cycle, which is 59 days. It's a little bit further out than what I like, but with the holiday season approaching and January 4th, after the New Year's, will be right at the sweet spot of 45. So, I'm banking that I'll get some decay over the holiday, and things will start winding down, and I'll have some positions set in February. So let's go to the curve and select strategy. And what I did was I sold. Remember, I'm a net seller, so I did a straddle go, and I did the let's move the expiration date out to February here, February, and I did the 15. So it's right here. It's right there. So it's basically a put and call right at the 15 strike. Collected about what it's at right now, and my break even will be under 12 to the downside, and to the upside over 18. It says here 45% probability of profit. This trade will be managed at 25%, because there's always going to be a strike in the money. So if your call goes up, so if the stock goes up, your call is going to be in the money. If the stock goes down, your put's going to be in the money. So you're always going to have an option in the money. So you'll manage this at 25% of the net credit. So this is the trade I did today in Cloudera. It's called a straddle, and I sold the straddle. It is an undefined strategy, and the only way I manage this is if before the 21 days where I usually manage all my open trades, if any of the options break my break even either to the upside or downside, then I will consider rolling the untested side. And I've done videos on that. But for example, let's say Cloudera goes up to, let's say, 20, right? And it breaks my break even of the 18, right? What I will do is move up my put to collect more credit. You see what I'm saying? So you're always obtaining more credits and lowering your cost basis, and defending your position. So you're not too long in the stock or too short in the stock. You're always adjusting your deltas. These are Greeks, so learn the Greeks. You can always go to Tasty Trade. They have archives, they have videos. I always recommend them. For me, they're the best financial content channel to learn the Greeks. The ones I really deal with day in and day out are Delta, which Delta is basically if you buy 100 shares of a stock, it's 100 deltas. One contract in the option world is equivalent to 100 shares of stock. So I try to do delta neutral strategies. So this is a delta neutral strategy. the 50 put, and then the 50 call. Each of these options are 50 deltas. The call being positive, the put being negative. So that cancels it out. So it's zero deltas. It's a delta neutral strategy. So that's one of the Greeks. The other Greek that I always am looking in my portfolio is theta, which is time decay. Remember, options are decaying assets. You don't really want to buy them. You want to look for high IV rank, and you want to be a net seller of options with high probability trades. So theta's the other one. Then you have gamma and vega, which deal with volatility. You can look into those as well. They're good to know them. But the ones that I basically look at day in and day out are delta and theta. So please like the video, subscribe, share with your friends, comment below any questions, and have a good night.